Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's PC tips I'm going to show you on how to clear all cache and junk file from Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R, and this is run dialog box is going to pop up. The next thing you need to do is to come to the run dialog box right there. What you need to do is to type in temp. Having typed in temps, hit on OK, and this dialog file box is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do right here is to press Ctrl plus A to select all the file. Then having selected all the file, press Shift and Delete key on your keyboard, and this is going to pop up. What you need to do here is to simply click on Yes to delete all the file. Then come to the top right here, click on Do this for all current items. Then click on Continue and make sure all the file gets deleted. So once you get rid of all the file, come back to your Windows keyboard again, press Windows plus R, and this run dialog box here is going to pop up. So this time around, what you need to do is to type in prefetch, and then make sure you select prefetch right here, and then after click on prefetch, click on OK right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue right here, and all the file here is going to pop up. What you need to do is to press Ctrl plus A to select all. Next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard, and this is going to pop up. We have about 244 junk files right here. So simply click on Yes, and then the next thing you can do again is to press Windows plus R again, and this dialog box here is going to pop up again. Then type in CMD. Having typed in CMD, come down below right here and hit on OK, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you can do here is to make sure you type in IP config / flush DNS. Then hit enter. Then you should be able to see successful flush DNS right here and cache. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear all junk file, cache file in your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.